What are some examples of crimes against humanity? Have you ever wondered what truly defines crimes against humanity? These are not just isolated incidents. They representing serious offenses committed during widespread or systematic attacks on civilian populations. Unlike typical war crimes, these actions are organized and often sanctioned by states or groups. Let's look at some key examples of these horrific acts. Murder is one of the most straightforward examples. This involves the intentional killing of civilians as part of an attack. Extermination goes a step further, involving mass killings or creating living conditions designed to destroy part of a population. Enslavement is another grim example. This occurs when individuals are treated as property, forced into labor or services against their will. Deportation or forcible transfer involves moving people from their homes without consent, often leading to suffering and loss of life. Imprisonment or severe deprivation of liberty is also a crime against humanity. This happens when individuals are detained without due process, violating international law. Torture is another brutal act, where severe physical or mental pain is inflicted intentionally. Sexual violence is a particularly devastating crime, encompassing acts like rape, sexual slavery, and enforced prostitution. Persecution is also significant, targeting groups based on political, racial, national, ethnic, cultural, religious, or gender grounds. Enforced disappearance involves secretly abducting individuals, removing them from legal protection. Apartheid is another form of crime against humanity, characterized by systematic oppression of one racial group over another. Finally, there are other inhumane acts that cause great suffering or serious injury to individuals, similar in severity to the crimes mentioned. These crimes are prosecuted under international law when they are part of coordinated attacks against civilians. The intent and knowledge behind these actions are critical for establishing accountability. From a true crime and criminology perspective, these acts reflected extreme violations of human rights and social order. The motivations behind such crimes often stem from political, ideological, or ethnic reasons. Understanding the psychological and behavioral patterns of the perpetrators is essential. This includes examining how they dehumanize their victims or obey authority figures, which can lead to such horrific actions. By recognizing these patterns, we can work towards preventing these crimes and holding those responsible accountable.